Good afternoon, students of class 5. This is your English text class. Get ready with your Marigold book. Students, in the previous class we completed the story The Little Bully, okay, and we also completed the exercise part. So today we will start a new chapter, okay. It is unit 9. Unit 9, Sing a Song of People. Today we will read a poem, Sing a Song of People, and it is written by Louis Levnesky. Okay, Louis Levnesky. So let's start the poem. It is the poem of people. Here in this poem, it is the poem is describing the life of people in a city. Life of people in a city. How the city people live. How the city people continue their livelihood. Everybody seems to be in such a hurry these days. I wonder why. In city, people are always in hurry. They are always busy. Okay. So this is the life of city people. Let's read the poem. Sing a song of people, walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. So this poem is singing the song of people. Okay, who are walking fast or slow, or in the city up and down they go. Okay, that means they are always moving from here to there, from his workplace to home, from here to there. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. So in city the population is obviously more dense than the village, and in the city people are always walking beside on your left, right, everywhere people are walking, they are passing in back and front of us. People are moving on the bus, people on the subway underneath the ground, people riding taxis round and round and round. So people are walking, people are moving on the bus, people are on the subway underneath the ground, people are riding taxis. So everywhere people are busy, they are moving, they are going from one place to another. People with their hats on going in their doors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours. If it is summer, then people are wearing their hats on, okay, and if it is rainy season or in the summer season, they are also carrying umbrella. Okay. Next page. People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators up and down they go. So people are in the tall building and they are also doing their work in the stores everywhere. That means the city is crowded place. The city is too much crowded. Okay, that's why everywhere you will see people are moving, people are crowding there. Okay, they are working, they are in the tall building, they are in the stores, they are crowded in the stores, they are riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. When people are going to their home, going to the workplace, or they are returning from the workplace or from the stores, or they went to the market and they are coming back from the market, everywhere either they are talking or some people are totally silent, they are saying nothing. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Some people are laughing, they are talking among his friends, among themselves. Okay, some people are smiling, some are laughing, some are talking, some are they are so busy, they are in hurry that they even are not looking at you. That means they don't bother who is passing by them. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. So in the city people are always either going or coming, each time they are busy, they don't bother who is passing by, they don't have time to talk others, they don't have time to talk with their neighbors or the passerbys who are going. Or here you see the people every day they are I mean every day they are watching, some people are going, some people are, I mean every day they can see the other people, every day they are watching the other people, but they know and as well as they don't know the other people. Okay, that means always busy, they don't have time to interact others. Okay, so this is the life of the city people, and in this poem, through this poem, the poet Louis Levinsky is describing the city life of the, okay, so city life of the people. So this is the main theme of the poem. So students, read this poem carefully. Okay, so bye students, we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.